Alright, 9th of November. Here we are at Paddington again. We're next door to the house that Hilton's done. And we're trying to do some repair work. When Hilton was doing the retainer wall here, had to pull this deck apart and found out there was a whole stack of problems with this house, as the stumpers who did it didn't do much at all to protect the steel, which is quite common. It's how most people do it. Just throw it in, like even I did when I first started, until I found out how bad galvanising was. You know, but I didn't. I always brought the domes up. These domes are way down. I've got to go search this one. We've already got engineers to tell us what to do with these. We've got to plate this post and that post. There's holes in the side of it. We've got to clean them up and plate them. But we've got to have a look to see what we can find on these. See how bad the rest of these are. None of them, including the ones under the house, have got any domes or concrete around them. So, which is good. That means I can go around and clean them all and treat them and find out what's wrong with them and fix them. It'd be better than being a slab over the top and no concrete in between, so they all rust off and you can't see it. So this is reasonably good for that. It's no good, they just shove dirt and gravel around it. So I'm digging Frankie's over there digging around that post at the back there. All that gets back, that goes back under a timber deck. So we're going to try and find that, and we're going to try and find this. So Hilton's just come back with the engineer's report, and we'll go chase that. So I'll catch you guys in a little while. I'll show you some more. See you.